Okay, so you are once again welcome to my channel. So we are going to solve this question today. In the diagram WXYZ is a trapezium. So the length XZ is 7 cm. Angle ZYX is equal to 90 degrees. And then angle ZWX is equal to 60 degrees. And angle ZXY is also equal to 30 degrees. Calculate, correct to the nearest whole number, the area of WXYZ. That is the trapezium, okay? Area of the trapezium. So we are going to solve this question today. So that is the diagram, okay? So this is a trapezium with the points W, X, Y, Z. I hope you understand. And angle Z, Y, X is what, 90 degrees. And angle Z, W, X is what, 60 degrees. And then angle Z, X, Y is also what, 30 degrees. I hope you understand. So we are going to solve for the area of the trapezium, okay? All right. So the solution. So the area of WXYZ is what, the area of the trapezium, okay? And we use the formula half times into brackets the sum of the parallel sides times the height, okay? Half times the sum of the parallel sides in the bracket times the height. So we have the parallel sides, that is ZY or YZ, and then XW or WX. These are the parallel sides, okay? Then we have the height, that is XY or YX. I hope you understand. Okay. So let's consider the rectangle triangle XYZ. XYZ, okay? So we're going to solve for the length ZY, okay? ZY. So sine 30 degrees is equal to ZY over 7. That is the opposite over the hypotenuse, okay? So ZX is what, 7 cm. And then ZY, that is what we are going to calculate for, okay? So sine 30 degrees is equal to ZY over 7. That is the opposite over the hypotenuse, okay? So to solve for the length ZY, this is equal to 7 times sine 30 degrees, which is also going to give us what? 3.5. So the length ZY is what? 3.5. I hope you are following it. Alright, so let's now calculate for the length XY. XY. So cos 30 degrees is also equal to XY over 7. That is the adjacent over the hypotenuse, okay? So cos 30 degrees is equal to XY over 7. So to solve for the length XY, this is equal to 7 times cos 30 degrees, which will also give us what? 6.06. So the length XY or YX is what? 6.06. I hope you are following the steps. Okay. So let's consider the triangle ZWX. And angle ZWX is what? 60 degrees. Okay, and we know that the angles in a triangle adds up to be what? 180 degrees. Okay, so if angle ZWX is 60 degrees, then it means angle WXZ will also be what? 60 degrees. And then also angle XZW will also be what? 60 degrees. I hope you understand. That means the triangle is an equilateral triangle. Okay, and it's having a side of what? 7 cm. That is ZX is 7 cm. So since it's an equilateral triangle, it means the sides are also the same. Okay, so if ZX is 7 cm, then it means ZW will also be what? 7 cm, and then WX will also be what? 7 cm, because equilateral triangles has equal angles and then equal sides or equal lengths. I hope you understand. All right, so now the parallel sides, that is ZY and then WX, has been calculated. So ZY is what? 3.5, and then WX is what? 7 cm. Okay, then the height XY or YX is also what? 6.06. So we can now solve for the area of the trapezium. I hope you're following the calculations. So the area of the trapezium is equal to what? Half times into bracket the sum of the parallel sides times the height. So we have 1/2 times 3.5 plus 7 in the bracket times 6.06. So this is equal to 63.63/2, which is equal to 31.815. But the question said we should calculate correct to the nearest whole number. Okay, calculate correct to the nearest whole number. So our final answer is going to be what? 32 centimeters square. Thank you so much for watching the video, and please, a quick reminder, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Share the videos also with your friends. Okay, thank you very much.